We're now going to look at attaching and adjusting the 4-point lap strap on the Junior Plus. So as you can see, we have a number of different cam locks that we can choose from. We have 3 different locations, so depending on what angle you would like the lap strap to be in, you can choose from those 3. I'm going to choose this cam lock and the cam lock on the reverse of the lumbar pad. Simply feed the straps through the cam lock. Once it's fed through, you can then lock it in place. Do this on all 4 of the straps. Once all 4 of your straps are in place, we can then add the safety clip. We feed it through the safety clip and then back through itself. Ensure that it's folded within the clip itself, and then we can bend and clip it. To attach the 4-point lap strap over your service user's pelvis, simply clip into place, and you can also adjust tightness on the front of the strap. In terms of transfers in and out, there's a second clip attached to the hip guide, which can be clipped out of the way for transfer.